Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 best drones in 2025. Whether you're a professional photographer, an avid adventurer, or simply a drone enthusiast, these models are sure to impress with their advanced features and outstanding performance. Stay with us until the end for an exclusive tip on how to choose the perfect drone for your needs. For more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Without further ado, let's start the video. Number 5. The DJI Avata Explorer Combo. The DJI Avata Explorer Combo. This drone promises to deliver an incredible flying experience with its advanced features and intuitive controls. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the Avatar is designed to make flight accessible to all. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the experience of the thrill of flying. With the DJI Avata combined with the goggles and motion controller, you'll enjoy total immersion and intuitive control. This setup makes flying the drone easy and fun, offering an exhilarating experience that anyone can enjoy. Next, the FAA Remote ID compliance. The DJI Avata complies with the FAA Remote ID rule, ensuring that you fly safely and legally. Be sure to check the compliance document for the user guide on remote ID and visit the FAA's website for drone registration and remote ID requirements. Avatar boasts ultra-smooth 4K footage. It features an upgraded camera system with a 1/1.7-inch sensor, 155 degrees FOV, and flagship stabilization. This means you can capture stunning, high-quality imagery without the need for extra attachments, making it perfect for videographers and content creators. One of the standout features is its palm-sized and agile design. The lightweight and compact design of the Avatar makes it easy to carry and capable of agile maneuvers. You can fly through gaps, around branches, and take it with you on any adventure, making it a versatile choice for on-the-go flying. Lastly, let's discuss the bold, Fly Far feature. The Avatar offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and upgraded safety. With the built-in propeller guard, it can handle minor contact, stay in the air, and keep on flying. Plus, with DJI O3 Plus video transmission, you get a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. So, there you have it. The DJI Avata Explorer Combo is an exceptional drone with thrilling flight experience, FAA compliance, ultra-smooth 4K footage, agile design, and impressive flight time. If you're looking for an immersive and easy-to-use drone, this one's a winner. Number 4. The Drone with Camera 1080p HD. The Drone with Camera 1080p HD. This drone promises a seamless flying experience with its advanced features and intuitive controls. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a fun gift, this drone has something for everyone. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the 1080p HD camera. This drone is equipped with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera, and FPV transmission. This allows you to seamlessly view live footage from the drone on your phone, ensuring you capture every moment with stunning clarity. Next, the full basic functionality. This drone has essential features for beginners, including one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and 3 speed adjustments, low, medium, high. It also comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing up to 30 minutes of flight time, and collision avoidance equipment for safe maneuvering. One of the standout features is the rich and interesting features. The drone has an exciting 360-degree rotation function, allowing you to perform stunts anytime, anywhere. After connecting to the mobile app, you can also use gestures to take pictures and record videos, enjoy VR mode, and try trajectory flight for endless fun. The compact and portable design is another highlight. This drone comes with a portable carrying case and weighs less than 249 grams, so it requires no FAA registration. It's easy to carry around, making it your best outdoor companion for adventures and travel. Lastly, let's discuss why this drone is a prime gift choice. With its unique and cool look, the triple camera drone in a sleek gray color is both easy to operate and fully functional. It's the perfect gift for drone enthusiasts and kids alike, offering an exciting and engaging experience. So, there you have it, the drone with camera 1080p HD is packed with features like an adjustable HD camera, beginner-friendly functions, exciting stunts, a compact design, and a stylish look. If you're looking for a fun and versatile drone, this one's a fantastic choice. Number 3. The Holy Stone HS900 GPS Drone. The features of the Holy Stone HS900 GPS Drone. This lightweight yet powerful drone promises an incredible flying experience, offering professional-grade features without needing FAA registration. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the HS900 has something for you. Let's take a closer look. First up, let's discuss the FAA-compliant, lightweight but mighty design. Weighing only 249 grams, 8.7 ounces, the Holy Stone HS900 GPS 4K drone doesn't require FAA registration or a remote ID in the States. This means you can enjoy pure thrill and total freedom without any legal hassles. Next, the professional 4K camera. The HS900 features a Sony 1/2.3 inches CMOS sensor, f/2.6 aperture, and a 48MP 4K camera. It's capable of shooting 48 megapixels photos in 4K, 30 fps, 1080p, 60 fps videos. Capture your world in remarkable detail with this high-quality camera, perfect for stunning aerial shots. One of the standout features is the 3-axis brushless gimbal. This ensures smooth and steady filming, even in winds of up to 38 km per hour. The Level 5 wind resistance makes it perfect for stable and professional-grade footage, regardless of the weather conditions. The extraordinary control system is another highlight. Thanks to Holy Stone's advanced control system, no complex preparation is needed. Effortlessly control the drone's movements with simple operations. Beginners can fly confidently and enjoy a breathtaking perspective with ease. Lastly, let's discuss the Holy Stone Quick Shots feature. The Holy Stone Serious app includes easy-to-use filming templates that allow the HS900 to take quick shots and generate professional-level videos. Share these directly on social media and impress your audience with epic imaging. So, there you have it. The Holy Stone HS900 GPS drone is a powerful and lightweight drone with an impressive 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, advanced control system, and easy-to-use quick shots. If you're looking for a professional-grade drone that's easy to fly, this one's a fantastic choice. Number 2. The DJI Neo Mini Drone. The DJI Neo Mini Drone, lightweight and powerful drone perfect for creators on the move. With its impressive features and easy-to-use design, this drone is set to elevate your aerial photography and videography. Let's explore what makes the DJI Neo Mini Drone a must-have. First up, let's discuss how the DJI Neo Mini Drone is as light as a smartphone. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds, 249 grams, this drone is incredibly portable. In the United States and Canada, you can fly it without needing to register with the local government, making it hassle-free for spontaneous adventures. Next, the Capture on the Go feature. The lightweight and powerful design of the DJI Mini SE makes it ideal for creators who are always on the move. The ultra-portable design allows you to effortlessly capture moments in unforgettable ways, making it perfect for travel and outdoor enthusiasts. One of the standout features is the more time in the sky capability. The DJI Mini SE's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer drones. With up to 30 minutes of flight time on a fully charged battery, you can enjoy extended sessions of capturing stunning aerial footage. The Capture the Detail feature is another highlight. The DJI Mini SE supports 12 megapixels aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. Its 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability, ensuring clear and ultra-smooth footage. This makes it perfect for capturing high-quality images and videos, even in challenging conditions. Lastly, let's talk about the upgraded wind resistance. The DJI Mini SE can resist winds of 29 to 38 km per hour and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters. This ensures your footage remains stable, even when flying along windy coastlines or high above alpine forests, offering versatility in various environments. So, there you have it, the DJI Neo Mini Drone is an exceptional choice for creators on the move, with its lightweight design, impressive flight time, high-quality camera, and upgraded wind resistance. If you're looking for a portable and powerful drone, this one's for you. Number 1. The Spectra Air Drone with Wide Angle. The Spectra Air Drone with Wide Angle. This drone promises an exceptional flying experience with its dual cameras, long-range transmission, and user-friendly features. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or just love flying drones, the Spectra Air Drone has something for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the dual cameras. The Spectra Air Drone boasts a 24mm wide-angle camera with an f/1.7 aperture and a 70mm medium telephoto lens at f/2.8. These focal length options are perfect for travel photography, allowing you to capture diverse perspectives and elevate your visual storytelling. Next, the FAA Remote ID compliance. The Spectra Air 4K drone complies with the FAA Remote ID rule, ensuring safe and legal flying. Be sure to check the compliance document for the user guide on remote ID and visit the FAA's website for drone registration requirements. One of the standout features is the 46 minutes flight capability. Enjoy extended battery life with up to 46 minutes of flight time, allowing you to maximize your aerial experience. This gives you more freedom to record creative moments without worrying about running out of battery. The immersive and richly detailed footage is another highlight. Equipped with 4K, 60 FPS HDR videos and 48 megapixels images, this drone delivers vibrant colors and lifelike details. Even quick travel photos can be cropped to reveal surprising details, elevating your photography game to the next level. Lastly, let's discuss the 20km long-range HD transmission. The Spectra Air Drone can take you on an adventure up to 20km, 65,600 feet away, thanks to its strong anti-interference capabilities. You'll enjoy stable and crystal clear 1080p, 60 fps live feeds, making your flying experience even more enjoyable. So, there you have it, the Spectra Air Drone with Wide Angle is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a high-quality drone with dual cameras, long flight time, and impressive footage capabilities. If you're ready to elevate your aerial photography, this drone is a must-have. So that wraps up our list of the best drones in 2025. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Review Reflections family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.